thank you. First, I want to show y'all my hair. Just got it done. Yeah. I don't know if she's accepting any new clients, but you like my hair? Thank you. It's not this box braids. But I got my shoes in here. Just wanted to do a video because I look cute. So, and no, I don't have my glasses on. I'm winging this, y'all. Yeah, I know I'm blind as a bat. Don't have my glasses on. Doing this without glasses, y'all. You can't even see me open it. It's okay, because y'all gonna see me take my shoes off. Okay. Alright. Now see the shoe box. Grab that box. Thank you. Ooh, baby. Yeah. Yes. Open. Ooh, oh shit. Hold on, wait, let me show off my shoe. Oh my god, y'all, look at them. Yes, they are not ugly. Stop hating, bro. These is fire, bro. I should have got them in black. I'm gonna get these in black.
I'm getting ones mine in black and yellow.
These are cute though, but I'm gonna get a pair in black. Why these look mad big? Okay, I'm about to try them on, but they're cute.
I told you you're dirty.
They're furry, so you can at least wear one pair of socks. Y'all, still wear socks with shoes. Stop playing. That's nasty. You want your feet to smell like corn chips? And your shoes to smell like corn chips?
I will not listen to you.
That's weird. Anyways, just because it has fur in it, wear socks. It's cold. It's not summer. It's not spring. It's winter. It's cold. Wear your socks. Okay? But look at these bad mama jammies. Just wanted to show y'all my hair and my shoes that I just got. That took forever to me. That's why I don't order stuff.
I ain't even take forever. Shut up.
That's why I don't order stuff, because I'm impatient, y'all. But anyways, yeah. Oh, and look at the case my brother gave me. It's cute, right? Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all. Just put my mask on just a little bit so y'all can at least try to hear me. But, so, I had made a promise saying that I'm going to try and post a video today on my YouTube channel. So, you're probably wondering why you dressed up. Just came from church and I didn't start the video off, but I'm starting it off now as a little mini vlog. So yes, right now I'm going to meet my mom at the shoe store, and that's where I am going to right now. Right now I am in the cab, so when we get to the shoe store, you're gonna see me in the next clip inside the shoe store. But we are pretty much at the shoe store. We're just at the light right now. So yeah. But yeah, so I hope y'all can hear me. I'm gonna obviously replay the video because I'm gonna make like a little, beginning video, I guess, intro, and how the outro video and everything. And pretty much I have to give a life update because I haven't posted in like 3 or 4 years, y'all. So yeah, so pretty much in the next clip, or I'm gonna just do like a time lapse or whatever, because I want y'all to at least get a little snippet of my day or whatever. So time lapse, here we go. Okay, y'all, so I was supposed to record myself in the shoe store, but I got my shoes. I'll definitely show y'all the shoes I got. But currently, right now, I am in TJ Maxx. We went to Burlington, and I didn't record that neither. I know. I need to get back on my crap. But right now, I am in the sock aisle. I need to get me some socks because I need more ankle socks in general and footsie socks. So I'm about to get me some black pair of socks, a pack of black pair of socks, and me a pair of footsie socks. They're not that bad. $5.99 for 3. That's not bad at all. So I'm gonna get me a pair of those. Ooh, 6. I just want one color. I don't want different colors. Y'all. Like, my mind is just going through racing right now, y'all. But trying to find more black footsies. And also I need ankle socks, like I said. I don't want white. I just need black. These are cute. Those are $8.99. Hey, you know what? I'm not gonna complain because they're Adidas and I'm gonna get me a pair of socks, y'all. Like, for real. I need some more socks. Ooh, they got furry ones, y'all. I'm about to turn the camera around so y'all can see. These are the footsie socks I got. They're one size, like most likely all socks are one size. Oh, these are cute, but I just need black, like this. But I don't want them that far up. I should, right? Because I wear Crocs and stuff. They're only $8.99. So I'm just gonna get me the one pair of socks, these 2 pairs right here, and wait, where does the eyelashes go? And I got me a pair of eyelashes. I don't know where they went, but got me a pair of eyelashes, and I need to get me tights. Good. I need me a pair of tights. How much for these pair? $5.99. Bless y'all hearts for 2 pairs. Thank God. Anyways, so I got me a pair of stockings. So I'm gonna need me a pair for church when I do go. And I'm about to turn the camera back around. Now I'm back. We're gonna make this vlog worthwhile, y'all. We're gonna make this vlog worthwhile. See more panties, guys. See more panties. But they're expensive. $14.99 for some panties, y'all. And I went to Burlington and I seen them for $5.99. Oh wait, these are $5.99. Bet you're not my size too. I got y'all all down. I'm sorry, y'all. Just trying to look at this. This is nowhere near my size. Like, dang, man. Dang, man. But yeah, I'm just getting me a few stuff out of here, y'all. It's nothing major, but I need to go find some sweats, y'all. I need sweats. But y'all, it smells so nice in here. And I'm very, very hungry right now. We're gonna get some Jamaican food. And yes, I'm gonna get me some curry chicken with white rice and some gravy. I don't want no oxtail. I want no oxtail. I found my, ooh, I need a hat. I need to get a hat. I need to get a hat, y'all. Oh man, it's $26 though. Oh no, it's $12. Yo, when I seen these, let me just show y'all the pink hat I got. Oh, I found the eyelashes, y'all. This is cute. Y'all see, I'm not gonna pull it all the way down because I got a big head, y'all. And my braids are kind of tight still. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, my braids are still kind of tight. And they still hurt. But this hat is cute. But I don't wear hats like that. Thought this was... No, this is a windbreaker. It looks like a windbreaker. Yeah. It's a size medium, though. I wear a large. I'm not that big. But I'm very, very thick. So certain clothes can't fit in my butt. Sorry, y'all. My mother called me. So... anyways, ooh, is that blankets? I need to get me a blanket, guys. But yeah. Oh, I have to go look for some sweats. That's what I need. I need one more pair of sweats, and I will most definitely be good. I believe so for a little while. But yeah, they already got me enough. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. I'm pretty. Oh, they're together. What if I didn't want it though? What if I just wanted one of them? I want both. Okay. Anyways, let me look for some sweats, y'all. So I need some. See some white. I said white. Oh, that's a medium. I ain't not no dang medium. What size is this? Why is this not telling me it's a medium? I don't want to squeeze in no medium. Like, they really don't be having anything now. They really don't. Because y'all, like, I really sometimes don't like having all that booty because I can't be finding stuff that I want.
Adriana, to your register, please. Adriana, to your register, please. Thank you, Adriana.
What size is this? A small. Something. Yo. Y'all don't understand how mad I'm getting. Because it's like I'm seeing smalls, mediums. It's like I can't find. Ooh, this is pretty. I think I found my size, guys. I found a Purple Rain shirt. Found a Purple Rain. Might get it, might not. Anyway, let's keep walking down. Oh, this is a pretty shirt. How much is it? $12.99. Me don't know. But I need to find some sweats. It's like, ooh, I think I'm in my red aisle, y'all. Okay, I found a windbreaker. It's an extra large. I mean, me don't want it. This SpongeBob sweater is so adorable, y'all. Look at that. Might just finesse my mom into letting me get it because it's cute. Might just finesse her old butt into saying, okay, whatever. Keep it in dick heart. What size is it? This is a big large. This is cute. This is a regular Schmegala Champion hoodie. But I don't. Let me see. So I do need another hoodie. Ooh. Ooh, they know. They know me. Look at this, y'all. I'm gonna show. I'm gonna just do a little when I get home. Show y'all what I got. Like, telling y'all local stores, TJ Maxx, Burlington, y'all. Go to those stores. Y'all be ordering from all these stores, be spending mad bread. Like, And you could get Calvin Klein from these stores like Macy's and for low-key cheaper prices, my nigga. Like, for real. Cheaper prices. But the only thing is that you just gotta go really look through these clothes, because these aisles, not the aisles, the rackets, ooh, be full. But, you know, it's worth it because you find stuff that nobody would really fucking have. Look at this. I'm weak. You what? What happened with ShopRite? Why? Oh God. Let me find these sweatpants, you all, because it looks like they got better ankle socks over here than the females, y'all. I need to get me a pair. Oh God. Wait, look at these ankle socks. I don't wear size 9, but anyways, y'all, I need me a hat because I'll be cold. It dead look like these men's have better clothing than women, but I'm trying to find sweatpants and I feel like I've been walking in a whole circle, for real, a whole freaking circle. I'm thirsty, y'all. I want a ginger ale. That's what I want. But that boy I was just talking to, he worked at had a job that I worked at one point, but I don't work there no more. Like he said, fuck that job. Fuck them, fuck them, fuck them. Y'all, so I got a friend, right? I don't know what to get him for Christmas. But I might just get him like some sweats or something. Or like some white beaters, black beaters. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I haven't found any sweatpants that I have in here that I like. But let me find my mother, y'all, again. After walking around again. But yeah. They honestly don't have stuff in here that really appeal me eye. You know what I mean? Oh, this is, where's Kia though? But yeah, like I was saying, I got a friend. I didn't say boyfriend because I don't know. But he's my friend, right? And I don't know what to get him for Christmas. So I'm thinking about getting him like some white beaters and some black ones too. Cause you know them dudes, they love they white and black beaters. You know they love those. And I know, pretty sure he's going to need some. I'm pretty sure he will need some. So, yeah. I'm about to go find my mother and come back on the camera once I find her. Alright, see y'all in the next freaking clip. Okay guys, so now we're checking out. As you can see, I'm not going to show the girl, but we checked out our stuff. So now we're about to leave. You too. Now we're gonna have to stand in the cold. Okay. So now we're going out the store. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm not about to. What did you call? Huh?
You need the card because
She needs a card?
yeah.
Oh, yeah, because we're waiting for a cab.
Yeah, that was good.
Oh, yeah, I did just close. Yeah, I forgot I closed.
Let's see here.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, I don't know.
I forgot I did close the tag.
Okay, yeah, I forgot I was even recording. But anyways, so now we're just waiting for the cab. Then we're going to go get us dinner. Pretty much my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for today. And then once I get home, I'm gonna show y'all what I got.
I don't know. That's for Christmas. I don't know what you showing them what you got.
I have to show them really fast.
No, you showed them on Christmas.
She's so annoying. So anyways, I guess this was for Christmas. So anyways.
Yeah, usually I'll pick out your stuff. But you older than me, so you can pick it out your things.
So anyways, y'all.
If you want to wait inside, you can, but with social distancing, I can't leave it in here.
Oh,
Okay.
So if you guys want to come back inside, I can hold the door for you, okay?
okay.
You guys can wait inside on the door, okay?
Okay, so this social distancing thing, y'all, is just so annoying. So yeah, I need to get me like a little pocketbook so when I go out, it could look cute. But where do I go to get a bag? Like, I don't need a bag,
$99 for my school. That's not bad.
so I don't go anywhere, y'all. I'll probably need like a little zip bag, you know what I mean? But yeah, so we're just waiting for the cab or whatever. This is a cute little purple bag, but yeah. Ooh, I ain't picking that. I'm good. Ooh, this is a cute bag. This is a cute bag. I need me another book bag. This is cute. This is cute, y'all.
We don't support Tommy Hilfiger. He's racist, so put it out.
I don't care if his name was Jesus. It's a book bag. I don't care about no Tommy Hilfiger. You don't know who I am.
Please, thank you.
And I dang sure don't care about him. I just need a bag. But this one is cheap, though.
Jonathan, to the front, please.
I was just looking.
Thank you, Jonathan.
They have nice book bags, though. Here, what house is this one? $30 for this. This is not bad.
What's the bone?
I don't know. Life Dreams. This is cute.
You kind of got it.
Yeah.
Oh, you want this bag?
That's my mother, guys. No, just said it was cute. I mean, I do need another bag because my pink one broke. Yeah, I kind of do need it because my bag broke. I know. If we're still going to Walmart, I could go to Walmart to get a cheap one if we're still going to Walmart.
I'm not going to Walmart until probably like tomorrow.
This is night. I said I could find one at Walmart.
Stupid onions for the Christmas.
Yeah, so I could just... I need a hat. That's what I need. Oh man, why didn't I look over here? This is a cute hat. Why didn't I come over here? This is a cute hat, y'all. And I need a scarf. Like this. Just to wrap around me. I need me like a long shawl or something. But I need a... Ooh, they got y'all. They got a lot of stuff in here. But I don't even think I showed y'all my outfit. So I'm about to turn the camera around to show y'all my outfit. So this is my outfit for today. I got the Uggs going on. You know what I mean? The ones that I show. Oh, y'all didn't see it, but I'm gonna add that in here. Opening. Bam. Stop playing, y'all. These are cute. I look like I got clown feet, but I'm ready to go. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. But yeah, y'all. So I'm just going to, in the next clip, So this is gonna be a quick clip, y'all. So the next clip is going to be me in the cab doing a time lapse. So when the cab gets here, that's when I'll be doing a time lapse, and y'all will see us going to get to our food and then go home. So in the next clip, you'll see me. All right, bye guys. Hey y'all, it's your girl KK back with another video. Well, it's days after the same video. So it's Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. I just woke up, smoked a little bit. So right now I'm about to do my makeup. I'm not gonna do like no crazy shit, but I'm gonna do something a little nice, a little cute, cause I'm going to a friend's house after I eat dinner with family and everything. So yeah, I pretty much have everything I need besides my eyeshadow, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. Then yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. So yeah, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. Oh my god, I'm sorry. But let me get me eyebrows did. You know what I mean? They're not, bad. My eyebrows, I have good eyebrows, y'all, but I just want to fill it in just a little bit. Just a tad. I'm gonna shape it down a little bit, y'all, because my eyebrows not doing way too thick. The ends not. See what I mean? The ends aren't. Because I haven't got them done in a little bit. So, not really. And eyebrow shape form. So now I'm gonna do all myself. This one. Just for them to come out their house. See, I don't do too much, but I'm clean just enough, just so